Hello, children. Welcome to your English class. We have completed our first and second chapter of English literature. First chapter was Monkey Trouble. Second poem was Birdie Will You Pet. And now it is time to move to our next chapter, that is A Hero. A Hero is a story written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a famous Indian writer. And this story belongs to a boy whose name is Swami. He is a small boy, and after reading this story, in the end, we'll find out how he becomes a hero suddenly. So Swami is an ordinary boy like you all, and after reading this story, we'll get to know how he becomes a hero suddenly. So this is a story about Swami who lives in Malgudi with his parents and his grandmother. He likes to sleep beside his granny, but his father doesn't like it. So let's start, children. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading under the hall lamp and said, "Swami, listen to this news as an act of bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger." The paragraph described the fight of the boy. The fight a boy had with the tiger and his flight up a tree, where he stayed for half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. So here in the picture, as you can see, this man is Swami's father, and the boy who is standing, he is Swami. Swami's father is a government servant. He works in a government office, and here he is reading a newspaper. And in this newspaper, he is reading an article about a boy who is just like Swami, a small boy who was returning to home, and while on his way back to home, he came across a tiger in the jungle path. He came in front of a tiger. And what happened then? The boy, when he saw the tiger in front of him, he flight up a tree, means he climbed up a tree where he stayed for half a day. He stayed on the tree for half a day till some men, and after that, after half a day, some people came there and they killed the tiger. This is how a boy like Swami, he saved himself from a tiger by climbing up a tree where he stayed for half a day. And now see, after this, after reading it, his father looked at him. His father stared at him and he asked, "What do you say to that? Do you want to say something about this? About the bravery of this boy?" His father asked him. Swami said, "I think he must have been a very strong and grown-up person, not at all a boy. How could a boy fight a tiger?" Now Swami is saying that I think he is not a boy. He must be a grown-up person. He must be a young man, very strong person. Because I think a boy of my age is not able to fight with a tiger. I don't think so it's possible. He is not a boy. He must be a grown-up person. Very strong, very powerful. Now, what his father said after this, after listening to Swami, "You think you are wiser than the newspaper?" His father told him. "Do you think you are smarter than you are intelligent than the newspaper?" Father sneered. "Father, told him in a mocking, poking manner, teasing manner. A man may have the strength of an elephant, his father said. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do anything. Now his father gave him the example of an elephant. He is saying that elephant is very strong. But if an elephant doesn't have the courage, he can't fight with a mouse even, a small mouse. So he just wanted to tell him that courage is everything. If a man, thin like a straw, has the courage, he can do anything. But if a man having the strength of an elephant, but yet to be a coward, yet to be a loser, he can't do anything. So his father is trying to teach him a lesson about courage, that courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. It doesn't matter what is your age. It doesn't matter how powerful you are. What matters is courage. Courage is everything. Bravery is everything. So everyone should be brave and should be courageous. That's all for today. After this, we'll start reading from here, from page number 15. So till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.